Hello guys, welcome to this video. This particular video, what we're going to focus on this of our player one input in this particular section of the code. So what we're basically going to do here is to in a situation whereby player one can be really funny at times, he decides to play what we don't want, because we want value from 1 to that of 9 to be inputted. Some player can decide to put different thing that does not correspond to with what we want them to put. So let's run this script and let me give you an example of that. Let me clear this. Okay, let me run this script. Okay, initially we've talked about what all this does. Let's say x, I set x. So choose where you want to play. Some player can set to put h, even though h was never an option. You can see it will crash our script, and we don't want this to be happening. Let's have to crash our script. We have to run it again for the player. I want to select the right distance. So how we can achieve this is by using what is called try and accept block. I've talked about what try and accept block does, just to handle errors in our script. And then how do we write that? Try, what does it mean? It's going to try a particular block of code, which this is what we want to try. So I'm going to put it inside. Like I talked about what this colon here does. This colon just to signify this is going to be a block of code beneath it. So accept, we can say print error occurred. What does this mean? The try and accept block is going to try to handle these things without any going to handle it to see whether we're going to get any error on it. Since if we don't get an error, this is not going to run. But in a situation where we get error here, this accept is going to run. Like the name alone should be enough to explain it to you. Try, like when we're done trying, then accept. When we accept, we're accepting anything that occurs. Okay, let's run this. Player one, select x. Okay, let's say I said to put that h back again. You can see it what you wrote here, error code. You can see that an error occurred here, meaning that an error occurred in our try block, which is here. This is not basically the best to handle. At times we want to know the error that occurred. But another thing you should notice here is that we didn't get our script we didn't crash our code. Our code kept on running smoothly. You can see a prompt player 2 to input. So since our script is running with, even though player 1 decided to play something else, so and this situation we want to know the error that actually occurred, we can use what is called an exception. So I can say exception as ERR. You can give it common and give it a. So just a variable. This ERR is just a variable. This exception is just trying to get the error that occurred that's going to be stored here. So we can now print the ERR here, like how we print our normal variable. Let's run and see the output. X. Let's say I entered the H again. You can see here I got the error got displayed invalid literal for int, because that's what we initially set this thing. Eventually we try to convert h to int, which is going to be a big problem. So this is just basically what I want to cover in this video. And in the next video I'm going to do a whole lot of other things, like make sure the user enter the right thing before we can go to that of player 2 turn. So that's basically what I want us to cover in this video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.